how to fix the export error in CapCut. So if you're trying to export a project and you're getting some kind of error message, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and solve this. Now, the first step is just to click on Menu in the top left-hand side, click on File, and then click on Settings. Click on Performance, and then make sure Speed Up Hardware Encoding is unchecked like this. And you can also try unchecking Speed Up Hardware Decoding, and then go and press Save. Now, once you've done that, you can try exporting your project and checking if that solved the issue. Now, if it's not working, then what you can try doing is just making sure you've saved your project, and then you can go and close out of the CapCut application. And we're also going to close out of this home screen here as well. So once you've done that and CapCut is fully closed down, you can head over to your Start menu and go and relaunch the application. Now, from this window, click on the settings bar in the top right-hand side, and then click on Settings. Now, click on this trash icon here, which is your CapCut cache. Click on the trash icon and then press OK. Now, this is not going to delete any of your projects, so don't worry about that. And once this is finished, we can press Save, and you can try opening back up your project. And once your project's reopened, you can try exporting it again. Now, if it's still not working, it could be that you're trying to use Pro features in the free version. So you can see down here that I'm currently using one item that belongs to the Pro plan. So if you're on the free plan, you need to go and delete any effects that you could be using that are on this Pro plan. It's basically not going to let you export this until you remove all the Pro effects. And once you've done that, you should be able to click Export, and it should now be working.